This is the CMC Markets Connect weekly volatility roundup. In short, there's only been one story on the agenda over the last week, and that's the war which Russia has picked with Ukraine. The accompanying global sanctions are hitting the Russian economy hard, and that's being played out with some volatility levels that, in all fairness, we probably didn't expect to be discussing when we first started this initiative just a few months ago. Looking directly at Russia, the Rouble has come under some sustained pressure following the isolation of the country's central bank. Daily vol on USD RUB exceeded 700% on Monday as a result, whilst by Friday the monthly print was closing in on 200%. To give some context, they are typically way higher than the numbers we see on cryptos. Two other Russian-linked assets which have been very much in focus are London-listed stocks Polymetal and Evraz. Both lost their positions in the FTSE 100 last week following the sharp decline in market cap. But on Monday, Polymetal's daily vol sat at 958%, whilst on Wednesday, Evraz reached 736%. Trying to look beyond the unfolding political and humanitarian crisis, other areas of note this week included commodity crops. Both Russia and Ukraine are major exporters of wheat, and despite a modest reversion towards the end of February, wheat has surged higher once again, with the underlying up 25% on the week. By Friday, daily vol sat at 109%, up from 53% on the month. There's also been some interest in oat prices, where although the underlying move was less pronounced, the volatility stood out, touching 140% on Wednesday. Oat versus wheat may therefore be worth considering for some as a pairs trade. Rounding off with indices, the Polish 20 has been top of the board all week, although daily vol has abated from the 88% recorded on Monday to finish the week printing around 68%, whilst cryptos have been largely subdued despite the potential use as an off-book wealth transfer tool.